Work. The roll your sleeves up and get it done kind. You do it every day. Measured in tons of metal, surface finishes, weld thickness. Determination. You tap into it. We thrive on it. It's the DNA in every job done and done right. Innovation. You look for it. We deliver it. 3M Cubitron II abrasives with precision-shaped grain. It's nothing short of revolutionary. Cuts faster, lasts longer, lowers your costs. Cubitron II abrasives. We're changing the way industry works. Get your hands on it.